Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable and hide payment methods from checkout in WooCommerce. This is particularly useful when you want to streamline your checkout process or temporarily remove certain payment options without deleting them entirely from your system. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access to your WooCommerce store, as you'll need the proper permissions to modify payment settings. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the WooCommerce option and click on it. This will expand a list of additional options related to your store's functionality. From the expanded menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This is your gateway to all the configuration options for your WooCommerce store, including payment methods, shipping, taxes, and more. Once you're on the WooCommerce settings page, look at the top part of your screen. You'll notice several tabs arranged horizontally. From these tabs, click on Payments. This section displays all the payment methods currently available on your store, whether they're active or inactive. It's essentially your control center for managing how customers can pay for their orders. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of your connected payment methods displayed on this page. Each payment method will have a Manage button positioned next to it. Click on the Manage button for whichever payment method you want to disable. This takes you into the specific configuration settings for that particular payment gateway. Within these settings, you'll notice an Enable checkbox near the top of the page. This checkbox is what controls whether the payment method appears on your checkout page or not. Simply uncheck this Enable checkbox. Once you've unchecked it, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This action immediately disables the payment method and hides it from your checkout page, so customers will no longer see it as an option during their purchase process. The beauty of this method is that you're not deleting the payment gateway entirely. You're simply turning it off, which means you can easily re-enable it later by following the same steps and checking the Enable box again. This gives you complete flexibility to manage which payment options are available to your customers at any given time. And there you have it, you've successfully disabled and hidden a payment method from your WooCommerce checkout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.